Welcome back, Fleur community. Today I have some absolutely incredible news. The BestFTSO website has had a massive overhaul. We've been busy behind the scenes to help bring as much value to delegators as possible. With this latest update, we have unlocked the ability to claim a number of NFTs. But we did not stop there. We updated our smart contracts to unlock further utility for NFTP, which is an asset created by BestFTSO, which is distributed as an additional incentive to those who delegate. We have also reintroduced the functionality of the NFT store. The BestFTSO website is currently the only place you can view, buy, and sell NFTs on the Songbird network. So let's jump in. Here we have the landing page for the BestFTSO website. Now, BestFTSO offer numerous ways that you can earn when delegating. So obviously, as with any signal provider, you get the ability to earn rewards as Songbird. This is standard across all data providers. Now, in addition to this, we offer what we like to call quests, and this may be a specific amount or for a specific duration, but if you delegate to BestFTSO, you can earn various NFTs. Now, if we look here to the right, we can see that in the 6th epoch, for those who delegated 1,000 Songbird or more, they will be able to accumulate a Bored Ape NFT. In addition to that, as I mentioned earlier, we actually have what we call NFTP. Now, NFTP, or NFT points, is an asset created by BestFTSO and is accumulated at a rate of 1 NFTP per day for every 1,000 Songbird delegated. Now, I know what you're thinking, what can you actually do with them? So what we're going to do now is we're going to head over here to the NFT tab. And as you can see, we have numerous NFTs available. Now, I already have some here. As you can see, you own one, and that's because I've already gone through the claim process. Now, what I really want to show you is how to do it for yourself. So if you are eligible for these particular NFTs, you will be able to claim them. So what we can do is we can run through an example here with the Hugo Philion booster. Click these 3 dots here, click on claim, and you're going to have to sign a transaction, and this is to claim the NFT. Click confirm, and just wait a few seconds for the Songbird network to perform that transaction. And there we go, we own the Hugo Philion Booster NFT. Now, something else that you can actually do is sell the NFTs, as I mentioned earlier, and this is a first for the Songbird network. So basically all you have to do is click the NFT, click up here, and you can see this put on sale. All you have to do is click it, click on approve all, sign that transaction, and then we're ready to sell. So put this here, click on put for sale. How much do you want to list? Let's say 1, and we can do it for 2,000 Songbird. And as you can see here, we can see the list price, how much people will be able to buy it for, how much you will receive, and also the royalties here. All you have to do is list item, and again, sign the transaction. And there we have it. Current listings, 1 NFT for 2,000 Songbird each. You may see some recent sales on the right. This was due to strictly testing purposes only, and you can expect that to populate as more people begin to list their NFTs and more people begin to buy them. Now, I'm actually going to cancel this, and if you would like to do something similar, you can just click on remove from sale. Additionally, you can edit the listing too. So again, confirm the transaction as you would with any transaction on the Songbird network. And there we go, it's no longer for sale. So that's basically the gist of how to do it. Now I want to also talk about how you can do it on Bifrost. It's the exact same process, but some people are still struggling to find the in-app browser. if you want to connect your Bifrost or Decent wallet to a website, you need to go via the in-app browser. That just means a browser inside the application itself. The first thing that we're going to want to do is open up the browser itself. And here we are. Now, if you look to the bottom here, you can see 4 squares, and this is the in-app browser. Simply click that, go to the URL, type in bestftso.xyz, and connect to the site with the Songbird network and click on Connect. Now, here we have a mobile optimized version of the site we've seen on the desktop. So if you wanted to claim here, you can just click on here and click claim. Now, you can actually see here that the claim button is actually disabled, and that's because on this particular wallet, I am not eligible. So all you would have to do is click on this, click on claim, and go through the exact same process as you would a desktop browser. So that's it, guys. The store has now opened on BestFTSO. The ability to buy, sell, and claim NFTs is now open. This is a first for the Songbird network, and until someone else implements the ability to view NFTs, BestFTSO is the only place you're going to be able to do it. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, go claim your NFTs, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.